The vision of our company is to help establish a world where all the people have access to basic necessities of life. Hi, I'm Lalit Khanna, Chairman of Apex International. Our main product is water hand pumps. To cater the needs of more than 35 countries, we manufacture Mark II pumps, U2 pumps, U3 pumps, FTDF pumps and any other pump which suits the need of an individual country. And I'm proud to say that in the last 40 years, I have been instrumental in manufacturing and supply of more than 1 million water hand pumps to various countries all over the world. I would like to share the vision, mission and values of Apex International, on the basis of which we have grown so fast and established our name in the world. The vision of the company is to help establish a world where all people have access to basic necessities of life. The mission is to provide rural and developing areas worldwide accessibility to potable drinking water, medical necessities, power, lighting and other relief items. Everyone faces the financial difficulties, hardships whenever one jumps from service sector to his own industry. Looking at my background, my experience, my educational qualifications, the banking sector came forward and helped me out in getting the finances for doing my business. And now, as on date, many financial institutions are coming forward to help me out, seeing the success story of our business organization. We also manufacture cold chain equipment which include vaccine carriers, cold boxes which are required for preservation and transportation of heat sensitive vaccines. All these products are approved by WHO and UNICEF worldwide. Now we are entering into the field of solar equipment. We are going to have solar operated hand pumps, solar street lights, solar lanterns. All these things are basically to cater the need of the rural and undeprived people of the society all over the world. Our presence today is in more than 35 countries, and in many countries our brand sells. People take Apex brand as the only good brand for this product which we are selling. The world is going internet savvy. Everyone wants to see the products on the internet. Let me share the success story where I am today and from where I started my graph. I started, as I told you, working with an industrial organization about 40 years back. For 25 years, it's a long time working with one organization, and when I left that organization, I was full of confidence, I was full of resources, I was full of experience and expertise to market these products, to manufacture these products. My message to the young entrepreneurs who want to enter the export market, the message would be: follow high ethical standards, be competitive in pricing, give committed deliveries to your customers, and you should adhere to the deliveries. Don't negotiate on quality and be competitive in pricing. These are the success mantras which I had followed in my organization, and I would like all of you to follow the same for the success in your ventures.